When you do something expecting nothing in return, that is the purest definition of what it means to be thoughtful. Early on in my career, I experienced firsthand the impact of thoughtfulness. Some colleagues and I had been working around the clock on a display for a trade show, and our goal was to win the prize for the best presentation. One night, shortly before midnight, the company's caretaker was on his rounds and stopped by the office we were using to create our display. This was the 5th time he had stopped by, and the 5th time he asked us if we had eaten dinner. He was worried that we might not do our best work on an empty stomach. Being young and just a bit arrogant at that time, I brushed him off and told him we are okay. In fact, I told him to call it a night and go home. Instead, he called the CEO and owner of the company and explained that he was worried about us. And here is what happened next. About an hour later, the CEO showed up with the dinner for all of us. We were speechless. To me, the caretaker and the CEO illustrate exactly what it means to be thoughtful. They were not only empathetic, but they put their thoughts into action. The caretaker could have easily left without doing something, but his caring mindset caused him to contact the CEO. The CEO, instead of being annoyed that the caretaker would bother him so late in the evening, treated us as though we were very special. Both expressed their compassion and concern through the empathy and action. A caring mindset is not defined by your position. It is defined by your character. And by the way, we own the prize for the best presentation.